How's it going there, YouTube? Well, I've been kind of out here tinkering around with this little W4 I picked up there at Charlie Richard's sale there the other weekend. And I thought I'd give you guys a quick little update video. So I already took this clip once already, but you know, I did more work before I got a chance to post the video, so I'm actually gonna reshoot it for you guys. See? I can't, you know, leave anybody in the dark. So, alright, I got the hood and the grill pulled off the W4 here. I've been cleaning up here. It's not in bad shape. I'm gonna, you know, blow the rad out. Still got some wire brushing, some scraping to do here on the engine block, but I have been soaking it in degreaser for the last couple days, so it's actually cleaned up real nice. You might remember the little oil slick I had here. I figured it's coming out of the back of the breather there. Got to pull the breather off and whatnot, or the air cleaner rather, and we'll get it cleaned up. I did already, in fact, paint the front wheel centers. I did do that center on camera, as you guys saw. I haven't done the far side yet, but you know, it's a little bit tight for clearance in here. If any of you guys are paying attention to my social media there last week, I had a little mishap with the W4. I was taking that wheel weight off, and of course I decided to give it one extra tap with a sledgehammer, and of course the weight dropped off. And with my luck, of course, the valve stem was down the bottom of the tire anyway. So I just happened to have a vacation day on Monday and went to Charlie Richard's. And I was lucky they were still open, so they had the exact valve stem I needed, and I just threaded it in there. I don't know where the old one went at this very minute, or I'll show you what I did. But at the end of the day, it's all fixed and holding there just fine. I think that's pretty much what I've done lately, and kind of scraping and cleaning up in here. I may, in fact, throw a rocket cover gas in this tractor, because it looked like it was at one time seeping a little oil, but it doesn't seem like it's seeping at all. It just got coated with dirty oil by the looks of it. So dirt and oil mixed together, which is what all this stuff is here. A lot of dirt mixed with motor oil. Jeez, don't need any shop accidents here. Anyway, been kind of down here scraping and cleaning up a little bit. I cleaned the oil pan all off. You still see there's some schmutz there in the front. I do hope to kind of have part of this tub in the front axle, at least in primer, at the end of the long weekend here. This is Thanksgiving weekend coming up. I think I might pull the tractor out and pull the drawbar off, and that way I've got a little bit more room in the back here between the W4 and the hard part. And I think this tractor actually rolled ahead a little bit on me since I parked it, so don't have it in there quite the same way as I did before, but you know, I gotta figure out how to set my brakes a little better. I gotta adjust. I'm gonna turn up my brake pads a little bit. I figured I was crawling around underneath the tractor. There's two little screws on the bottom of the drums. I'll show you guys when I go to do it. And we will adjust the brakes up a little bit better. But anyway, been working over here a little bit, been wire brushing, scraping away and whatnot. Where did my brush go? Might have to get some stock on some new wire brushes too. Seem to get plugged up with the schmutz real quick. I did in fact find one little problem with the wiring on this tractor. Saturday I was busy degreasing and whatnot, and I wanted to start the tractor up because I got another video in the making. So I pulled the plug wires all off and pulled the plugs out and cleaned them up real quick. They were kind of full of carbs. So I'm going to order new plugs and new wires. Gotta get a distributor cap. It's supposed to be black, or I'll just get a coil too. I mean, it comes in a rebuild kit, electronic rebuild kit, I think, or ignition rebuild kit, really. Because the, you know, plugs, wires, cap, rotor condenser, all that jazz. So I'll order that up and put it in there at some point. I did find out that when I was degreasing, the tractor wouldn't start. So I got a little break in the wire here. As you guys can see, the insulation is kind of stripped off there. So get that electrical taped up so that way when I go to power wash the engine block off, I'm gonna have to go buy some more degreaser, because it's actually been working very good. Got it pretty well cleaned up. I'm gonna take this post off here and pull the wires off and flop them back over the gas tank, and I'll move the tractor out. We'll degrease the engine. We'll just work from the front back, get the front half of the tractor done and painted, and then maybe I'll just flip it around and pull the fenders off and whatnot. It's a pretty big task, you know. It's not something you can just do in a week or a weekend or over a night, you know. It takes time to do these things, but you know, we're having fun with it. I did in fact post this photo on Instagram for any of you guys that were paying attention here. This is the video version. Had the hood off the W4, and I come over to the hard part here. I took that muffler and put up on the hard part. I didn't like the looks of that so much, so I ended up coming over. I borrowed the straight pipe off the hard part, and I stuck it on the W4. like that. And you know, of course I had to start it up and see what it sounded like, but that's another video for another day because it's getting late out. I don't want to upset any neighbors right now, so I keep on good terms. So maybe on the weekend I'll get you guys a straight pipe cold start W4, make a little video up and make a little noise and whatnot. If you guys would like to see that, right down below. There's a grill there and hood there. Haven't done much cleaning back here yet. I gotta figure it. There's supposed to be like a adjustment nut on the steering box, as you can see down below here. Got about a little less than a quarter turn of play in my steering wheel before the front wheels move. But I was looking in here though that when you turn the wheel, the worm shaft kind of walks in and out like this. I noticed that this a little bit of play in it, so I don't know if there's a bushing in there I can change or not. But yeah, that's pretty lit for now, and if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see ya on the next one.